Celanese Corporation, NYSE, CE, stock rose over 6% in the pre-market session on October 19, 2018. Source: Google Finance. For the third quarter of FY18, both the acetyl chain and engineered materials expanded margins in excess of higher raw material costs and grew earnings year over year. Celanese continues to invest in high-return projects with the acquisition of Next Polymers in India, along with low-cost incremental expansions in POM, VAM, and acetic acid. Meanwhile, CE has announced a capital-efficient debottlenecking project of its polyoxymethylene (POM) production unit at the Industriepark Hochst, IPH, facility in Frankfurt, Germany to support the continued growth of its global engineered materials business. Celanese expects to expand the production capacity of its IPH unit by 20 kilotons, making this the world's largest and most efficient POM plant. Celanese expects to complete the POM debottlenecking project at the IPH facility in the next 18 to 24 months. Further, the company has signed a definitive agreement to acquire India-based Next Polymers Limited, one of the country's largest domestic engineering thermoplastics (ETP) compounders. Celanese expects to open 8 Next Polymers thermoplastic compounding product portfolio and production capabilities within the Celanese engineered materials business. Celanese expects to complete the transaction early in the first quarter of 2019, pending customary closing conditions. Financial details of the transaction are not being disclosed at this time. Until closing, Celanese and Next Polymers Limited will continue to operate as independent businesses. Moreover, CE has commercialized 925 engineered materials projects in the third quarter of 2018, a 58% increase year over year, and on track to delivering more than 3,000 project wins in 2018. The company is entering the final completion phase of the 150 knots expansion of the Clear Lake, Texas VAM production unit. Startup of the unit is planned for December of 2018. CE has generated free cash flow of $382 million in the third quarter and executed $150 million worth of share repurchases. The company has the ability to accelerate repurchases dependent on need for other uses of cash. CE in the third quarter of FY18 has reported the adjusted earnings per share of $2.96, beating the analysts' estimates for the adjusted earnings per share of $2.75. The company had reported the adjusted revenue growth of 13% to $1.77 billion in the third quarter of FY18, missing the analysts' estimates for revenue of $1.82 billion.